Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Ugly Dog Lures. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Charlie, Goose, whatever you want to call me. Today we're going to be doing a Melissa challenge, wife challenge, Melissa challenge, whatever. She wanted this lure, so I'm going to make it for her. And she picked the colors and she picked the glitter. I picked the bait. I picked the eyes. She don't have no say in none of that, so, well, she probably does, but that's beside the point. So, what she picked today was a gloss black and an extreme sheen metallic pink tourmaline and disco glitter, folks. Okay, so we're going to start this paint out with this pink tourmaline. Or are we going to start this paint with this black? Boy, I'm watching you eyes from her. So, where's Bob? Bob, what are you doing all the way over there? You move Bob, you put Bob back, woman. You're headed the right way for a smack bottom. I don't mess with Bob. Bob's my fish. He holds things for me. Always remember, folks, to mix your paint up really well. Pink tourmaline. Do the old finger test on it. Get there. I don't know why I do that on almost every video, folks. I can pretty much tell by looking at it. You know, whatever. That's probably just about all the pink tourmaline we're going to use. Today we've chosen an S-crank to do this challenge on. So, let's make it happen. You want to? So we got our Iwata HPCS out today, and that's what we're using. We're running about 17 pounds of air pressure. So let's just start coating this bait. Gonna go down just about to the lateral line on this bait and stop. If you go down a little further, it's okay. It don't hurt nothing. Fish ain't gonna know the difference. So let's heat set this right quick. Remember, always get that nose, folks. Hey, and she wanted it pink under here. What she said anyway. Good enough? Alright. Okay, folks, we're back. We got this Melissa challenge all dried up good. Now we're going to mix our black paint up good. And we're going to net this bait and we're going to go on from there with it. There's the old finger test. There she goes. Running right down that finger. So now we got that mixed up. Let's get our clips over here. And we're going to wrap this bait with this overlay. Now that's what this stuff is called. Now if I don't call it the right stuff, I get in trouble. So it's overlay. Pretty nice little stuff to paint with. It makes a very unique pattern on these baits. Alright, let's get this bait all wrapped up and go from there and get her all painted good. Okay, we got us a pretty good wrap on her there, folks. Now, so let's hang her up here and continue with our painting. And we'll get our black paint poured up here. Ain't gonna need a whole lot, maybe about 10 drops. We're gonna do it. Get her painted in the black. Now I'm gonna shoot a little bit of that right down there into that pink on that bottom. Just like that right there.
Okay, you're good to go.
Okay, folks, we got her all painted up on the second coat now. Let's go ahead and we'll pull this netting off. Just rip it off like a bad band-aid. There you go, Melissa.
Ooh. See, I told you that looked pretty.
So we're going to put pink lizard eyes on this bait, folks. That actually looks pretty good. There's a pink and a black and a blue eye in there. Got that white belly and got a little bit of that black down underneath. It's just fine. So there's your pink lizard eyes. Okay, folks, let's take the tape off that deal and let's put some epoxy on here and some watermark and a disco glitter. Y'all gonna get me in trouble. I don't remember to put the glitter on it. Well, them eyes look pretty good, folks. Kind of a different looking little bait there. Hello, folks, we're back. Got the wife's challenge all finished up. Here we go. Pink tourmaline, black with a white belly on it. We did it on the S crank. It's got pink lizard eyes. So there it is, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.